Good morning, students. Today we have to see 3.5 Great Scientist lesson, and already we have seen two videos. In that videos we had seen Faraday was spellbound by Davy's lecture. He was totally fascinated on his experiments, on his talent, and Faraday decided to become a great scientist, and he decided to write some books on science, and he thought that Davy became his role model. But there was problem, no support from Davy, and he wanted to do some things in the world of science. Now we will see the next para. Destiny had a strange plan in store for him. Faraday wanted to be a great scientist. He wanted to write some books, and now his luck favored him. There was uncommon thing in his destiny. Few years later, what happened after few years? A chemical explosion happened inside Davy's lab. And while doing experiments in Davy's lab, there was chemical explosion, and because of that he was temporarily blinded, and there was small injury in his eye, and because of that temporarily Davy became blinded. He now needed an assistant with an excellent memory to help him, and now he badly needed an assistant to help him in his lab. But he wants an extraordinary memory person, and at the same time he remembered Faraday. He was reminded of Faraday and decided to hire him as his secretary. And immediately he remembered Faraday, and he decided that I will make him lab assistant. Davy never believed Faraday could do anything in the field of science going by his social status and education. After that, Davy thought that Faraday had no social status, no money, no education. So he could not do anything in the world of science. He therefore dismissed Faraday's aspiration, and Davy dismissed the aspiration of Faraday, and he advised him to stick to bookbinder, and he told him you should do your work as a bookbinder. He tried to convince his mind, convince his thought. Faraday's aspiration and advice. He therefore dismissed Faraday's aspiration and advised him to stick to bookbinding. But Faraday was relentless. But here Faraday's good qualities useful for him. How he was relentless. He worked day and night with Davy in his laboratory. He was continuously doing hard work and learned as much as he could Davy's experiment. And with the help of his hard work, with the help of his perseverance, he wanted to learn as much as from Davy's lab. Soon Faraday became indispensable to Davy. Now it was necessary for Davy to put him as a lab assistant in his lab, and was promoted to his lab assistant. Faraday learned many things from him, from his experiments. So it is compulsory to Davy to take support of Faraday. And now Faraday became his lab assistant. This was his first step towards a scientific career, and by this way Faraday entered in the world of science. though much of his job now was cleaning lab. What was his daily work? His daily work was to clean labs. But Faraday became very happy. He thought that I am lucky to see Davy's experiments very closely. At least he got to see some of Davy's leading experiments. And as a lab assistant, Faraday had a golden opportunity to see leading experiments of Davy. Even then, Davy did not have much hope for Faraday. And though Faraday thought Davy become his role model, but there was no support from Davy. Then Faraday got another chance to prove himself, and God gives him golden opportunity to prove himself. One day Davy tried to recreate a famous electromagnetism experiment with fellow chemist William Olston, exploring how when an electric current is applied to a wire, it causes that wire to behave like magnet. And one day there was a golden chance for Faraday. Davy, he was doing electromagnetic experiment with his fellow chemist named William Colston. And what they were doing? They were doing an electric current, applied electric current to a wire, and that wire it behave like magnet. It causes forces there and it behave like magnet. Obviously the forces were connected. The forces they were connected, but nobody had figured out how to make it happen continuously. Davy and his friend both were doing experiments related to electromagnetism, and at that time they were succeed to connected it, but they could not figure out to make it continuous. Davy believed that if he could find out why it happened and control it. Now Davy he thought that if I will control that force at that time, it is very useful in the world of science. But he was unable to figure out. But here Davy became unsuccessful and was frustrated, and there was frustration to Davy. He then teased Faraday. In the mood of frustration, he was teasing Faraday, asking him to try his hand at in after he was done cleaning the lab. And in his in his frustration mood, he was teasing Faraday and he asked him to try his hand at after cleaning lab. Within a few days, after that, within some days, Faraday solved the problem. Faraday became successful in his mission. In fact, he went further. He was continuously trying that experiment, continuously doing hard work, and the result was the first induction motor. And here, with the help of his efforts, Faraday invented first induction motor. What was the use of that motor? Which converted electrical current into continuous mechanical motion. Induction motor, it is useful to convert electric current into continuous mechanical motion, and it became great revolution for modern technology. It changes the life of people, and now people, scientists, they use that induction motor in various things. That simple device it was very useful. And in which it was useful? Fans, air conditioning, sewing machines, photographs, power tools, cars, trains, aeroplane, and in these things induction motor is very useful. Though David teased Faraday, he insulted Faraday, but Faraday became the scientist and he invented that induction motor, and within a short time Faraday became celebrity scientist overnight. Though he had no social status, no money, no proper education, but with the help of perseverance, hard work, he became great scientist, and it was a great revolution in the world of science. Now we will see the glossary. Destiny, luck. Strange, uncommon. Assistant, helper. Remind, to remember. Dismiss, sent away or banished. Aspiration, hopes of achieving something. Relentless, unyielding. Leading, important. Next word is fellow, a person in a similar role. Electromagnetism, a branch of physics that studies the magnetic effect of electricity. Induction, the process by which electricity passes from one object to another without them touching. Spur, encourage someone to do something. So here we have seen Faraday became great scientist. He invented induction motor, and because of that there were so many so many facilities, so many machines people used, and all the credit goes to Faraday. Now we will see the next part in the next video. Thanks a lot.